Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today I will show you how to add black bars to your videos if you want to make your video more cinematic in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm not gonna waste your time, let's jump straight into Premiere. First of all you need a clip, of course. I've downloaded some clips here of the city, you can see it there. Add in a clip you want. And first of all we need to add an adjustment layer. To do that, go to this project panel here, right click and then go in new item and then adjustment layer. Click OK here and now you have the adjustment layer into your project panel. Drag and drop it into your timeline above your video and make it the same length as the video. But you can see that nothing happens. That's because we haven't added any effect. So to add the black bars we need a crop effect. Go to effects and type crop here. Here's the crop effect, drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. And now you can see here that the crop effect appears into the effect and controls, but still nothing happens. That's because we haven't added any values to this left, top, right and bottom here. So we need a black bars on the top and on the bottom. You can add it like this so you can see it, but I like it to adding it like just numbers, maybe 12, it's gonna be good. And 12 onto the bottom here, and boom, you have your black bars into your video. But let's say that you want somewhere in the middle the black bars to appear, and you will say, okay, I will make the adjustment layer here, and now I'm gonna play the video and boom, but they are appearing from nowhere. So we don't want that. We want the black bars to come smoothly into the video from the top and from the bottom. To do that, here click on the adjustment layer, and now if you're not familiar with stopwatches and keyframes, you probably need to watch other videos to do that, or maybe I will make a video in the future. But if you're familiar with that, just activate these two stopwatches for the top and for the bottom, and now you have two keyframes here. Go a little bit back, maybe here, and make the values 0 and 0. And now if we play the clip back, you can see that the black bars are appearing more smoothly. If you want them to be even more smooth, select the first two keyframes, right click and then ease out, go to the last one and go ease in, and now go a little bit back, play the clip, and now you will see that the black bars are appearing more smoothly. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and if you enjoyed it, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.